Bitcoin, Cardano, and Shiba Inu have been some of the most dominant coins in the market. There have been a lot of speculations about all these coins and the manner in which they will be growing over a period of time. Many investors have been really speculative about the manner in which Bitcoin and others will progress in the coming days. We have a lot to decipher through such assumptions, a lot of which will be covered in this video, so stay tuned till the end. Welcome to another video on this channel. Hit the like and subscribe to this channel for more. Let us get into it straight away. Bitcoin's price has been tightening up, which has constantly been tightening the Bollinger Bandwidth over the past and has been the highest since October 15th of 2020. This has been creating a lot of worries for the investors who have already been hit by the wrath of COVID-19 and the market crash. To top it off, the ban in China has been causing a lot of trouble for cryptocurrencies. A lot of the miners have been moving out of the provinces of China to be able to continue mining. With 3 batches, they have been moving their equipment to other parts of the world, especially Texas, due to the low electricity cost there. Furthermore, while countries like El Salvador and Ethiopia have been looking forward to embracing Bitcoin as their currencies, the potential it has seems to be never-ending, and the current dip seems to just be a part of the crypto volatility. On the same note, Bitcoin's price has been gaining back by over 9% since May 19, where it went to a low of $30,000. On the other hand, the Ethereum prices were moving flat and not falling as abruptly as Bitcoin, which increased the pressure on Bitcoin by a good margin. By the end of this summer, the chances of us seeing better prices are very high. The present price, as of July 15, 2021, is $31,866, with just over 1% in the red. The prices seem to have stopped falling abruptly. By the way, they have been for a long time. It may now be the time for a slow, steady growth back into the earlier prices. Cardano, on the other hand, has been one of the most anticipated coins. Cardano's major strength is the research-based approach that it has. In recent days, this approach has been benefiting the cryptocurrency ADA by a huge margin. It has now reached a very critical support floor from where a reversal is a huge possibility. The crucial support we mentioned is around the $1.25 support. However, just before we start noticing that reversal, we may witness a bit more of the dip that we have right now. The lowest point that we think that may be hit is around $1.10. This value has very good support, and falling through that seems very unlikely for ADA. The downtrend that is currently started on the 5th of July. Since then, we did not notice any substantial peaks for a long time, which did raise a few eyebrows. It happened right after the swing high on the $1.49.5. It was a straight 19% dip from the said swing high. The overall growth back of the cryptocurrencies will be the major reason for the growth of ADA over the short term as well. Shiba Inu, on the other hand, needs to watch out for the trap that it may fall into. The technical rejection at the $0.000008 mark has been creating a lot of pressure in the charts. Even though we expected Shiba Inu to rise over 28% in the previous week, it has been dropping down by huge margins in the past week. The prices are being pushed further down due to the surplus in cryptocurrencies. That is an advantage for the short-selling investors. Shiba Inu will be a very potential long-term investment. However, the recent investment strategies, not being that way, is the major reason why we saw the prices falling tremendously. Now, as we all know that the support becomes a very good resistance in the later phases, the chances of Shiba Inu pushing through the $0.00000800 mark without any forms of issues or falls must not be expected. We hope this video was informational enough for you. We will be coming up with more videos in the coming days. Till we come up again, keep investing at the correct places and make high profits.